I'm Lauren Davis and we're here in Lyon with FAWTV ahead of Portugal v Wales in the UEFA Euro 2016 semi-final at Stade de Lyon. We're here to find you, the fans, our sea of red. We want to hear your opinion, your prediction and your preview.
2-1 Wales.
Wales on penalties.
2-1.
Wales are going to win 3-1.
1-0 Wales.
Wales 2-1 after extra time.
We've been here since the 8th of June and we're not going home till it's all over.
Just proud to be here now, to be honest with you.
We both waited many years just to be here, and it's absolutely fantastic.
To be honest with you, I'm just overawed with what we've done and what the team have achieved and the unity that we've achieved, and I'll be honest with you, it's amazing, it's just unbelievable.
Dwi'n ofnadwy o falch o Chris Coleman a'r hogiau. O'n I byth yn meddwl fysa hyn yn digwydd, ond mae o'n digwydd a da ni gyd yma'n byw o freuddwyd a da ni'n falch ofnadwy o'r ffordd maen nhw wedi chwarae ar y cae.
Every day when I wake up, I thank the Lord I'm Welsh.
Together stronger!
Come on Wales! Come on Cymru!
Together stronger!